Hey guys, hopefully everybody's having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some Raisin Canes. I actually got the steak fingers, of course. My mom got it for me. Looks like they gave me 6 pieces. And I have some fries, some coleslaw, the bread, and of course I got their sauce. I was drinking some Arnold Palmer that they have at their store. It's pretty good, but not something that I drink every day or whatever, but I actually like it or whatever when they make it right. And I also have some FEVERTREE pink grapefruit. I was trying to get the FEVERTREE, the ginger beer, but they were all out. So yeah, I had this at Walmart. And like currently I'm actually dealing with a cold right now, so I'm kind of stuffy. I didn't make nothing, well, any videos last week or whatever because I actually got sick while I was out. I went downtown or whatever. Me and Kiana, we went to Terry Black's. Food was alright. Oh, the food was not really alright. I guess it was because it was closing or whatever. But I wouldn't go there again. Maybe to a different location if they have one. But that day, it wasn't good. Here's my food. It looks like all over the place, but yeah. But Terry Black's is like in Deep Ellum area. It was alright. I mean, it looked like a good atmosphere, but the food wasn't that good that day. My mom actually got us Christmas food from there. No, it was actually Thanksgiving food, I think. Thanksgiving or Christmas food. And it was good that day. And the corn was actually good both days. That's the only thing that I actually liked from there. And I think the macaroni and cheese was good. No, the macaroni and cheese wasn't good. The actual, what are they called? Potatoes. Well, the actual potato, yeah, mashed potatoes were good. Oh yeah. It was not really good. I guess because it was about to close. That's the only excuse, I guess. But yeah. And then we went to this place called the Weed Spot that basically had CBD and like a man-made so-called weed. It was interesting. They had a designated smoking area right next door. It was just like open space, like weird. And we walked basically from each places, just parked at a paid parking and just walked both of those places. Terry Black's was right across from the parking, and the Weed Spot was like I guess a few blocks from there. I don't know where the heck I got sick, but I'm thinking it was at the last spot. But going in between the streets in Deep Ellum, it smelled like piss and oil. And we seen actual homeless person that I never think we would actually see because I only thought that existed in New York. Like it was a homeless person that had newspaper and that blue Windex to clean your windshield. He asked to actually spray the windshield of the car. I was like, what the heck? It was weird. I mean, I see homeless people a lot, but I never seen nothing like that before. It was awkward. The last spot that we went to, it was called Andretti. Andretti. It's like a go-kart place or whatever. It's like a Dave and Buster's, like for I guess kids, adults. Like, I should have known something when we came in, and literally all the black people, they were like on the basketball machines. That's, I guess, literally the only thing that seemed like it actually worked. Everything else was trash. And then I ran out of gloves. Cause like everywhere I go outside, I always have gloves in my fanny pack or whatever, wherever I go. And I ran out of gloves, and I was touching all that stuff in that arcade room, so. I think that's how I messed up. I had fun, but I just was miserable afterwards. I don't know what the heck. But that whole thing, that whole week, well, that whole weekend was like, I had all signs to actually stay in the house, basically. Cause that was like, heck nah. Stay in the house, basically. So I'm about to try this. Say pink, sparkling pink grapefruit or whatever. 30 calories. It's gonna be as refreshing as ginger beer. Yeah, I didn't know they had like different flavors. Oh, it's pretty good. I don't think I will buy it again because I'll drink grapefruit juice when I'm like having a brunch or a meeting for brunch or whatever, but I'm not about to like having a drink or whatever with like alcohol, but I'll drink it occasionally, but I'm not about to just drink it, just get it just to drink it as a favorite drink. This is like my last resort. I know I wasn't a big fan of it when I was a little kid either. And I feel if I would have just got like really enough sleep that I actually needed and not actually have to get up for work, I probably would have got better a long time ago. But I was just still working from home, of course. Just sick, basically. If I drink grape soda with sparkling water, this is just like one off to me as drinking bean soda. I can't. This is too much for me. I don't know. Dang. Too much. I think now I'm starting to get my appetite back. Because I wasn't, like, earlier this week, I wasn't trying to eat anything. Dang. They fried all these hard. If I want to sleep in my living room tonight, I'll probably light my chimney. So it's cold as heck outside. It's supposed to be 27 degrees outside tonight. Last time I checked it, I thought it was like 30. I'm not trying to have none of those games play out. I don't want to have no snowstorms this year. At least if we have a snowstorms, at least have it where the electricity is not off or not working. Everything is pretty good today. I think I'm gonna wrap this up and save this for a midnight snack or something like that. But I still need to take this medicine. I haven't even taken the nap so far. It's the longest I feel like I've been up for days. As soon as I get off, I go to sleep. As soon as I be trying to sleep through the night, like exactly 16 hours. Right. Sure. Everything was pretty good. Yeah. I like things fried hard, but dang, it's still good though. Pretty good. I'm thinking I need to probably go get tested to see if I actually have COVID or whatever. If it's like going around hectic, I don't really go outside or whatever. This is like the only time I go out is like when I'm going over my mom's house. That's it. Or like I don't even go take out my own trash. Like really, I don't take my own meal. So like I just went like to those 3 places. I guess I wasn't like my immune system wasn't like to cold or whatever. So I'm thinking probably I should actually go get tested or whatever, and probably I was looking into the at-home kits or whatever as well, and I know that some of them has, well, a lot of them, well, one of them has been recalled or whatever, so I know not to get that one, of course. And then, of course, I'm thinking it can be, I think it'll count on my insurance, so it might be a good idea, but I don't know. Whatever the heck I had caught Sunday, and today is Saturday. It just like, well, I guess Saturday, Sunday night. Saturday, Sunday night. Saturday night, Sunday morning. But it just felt like something like I was like walking around all my life, even though I only walked a couple blocks, well, a few blocks, well, 4 or 5 blocks in. And that's like the amount I have to walk up my stairs or whatever. And I didn't think that was an exercise, but my body, it felt like I was exercising a lot, and my body was just tired. And then the second day, it just felt like nasal, like a lot of headaches, basically sinus headaches or whatever. And then the third day, just basically felt like I couldn't breathe to an extent, only at my mouth solely. So, and that's how it's been feeling like the past couple of days or whatever. Just basically like I'm getting drained out, like coughing up stuff. So I don't know. I was thinking that just because it's normally my allergies start acting up when the season changed, but I don't know. It was different. Me and Kim basically had the same symptoms the first couple of days, and then she felt better a couple of days ago. I don't know what the heck. So I feel like I don't mind with shutting myself up inside. I don't care. But like every time I go outside, something crazy happens. But yeah, I'm just, it is what it is. Like I'm drinking this. And oh yeah, I got some of those easy drinks ever since I went to Chipotle and tried that blackberry one. I got the blackberry, I think the green apple and the orange. I think it's either mango or orange or mandarin or some stuff like that. So I'm gonna end up trying that maybe on the next video. But I know it's gonna be soon, hopefully. Just now somewhat feeling back to myself, probably about a good 90% better. So that week was I was just out because I was sick, of course. So yeah. Eat the rest of this, and this is gonna be a midnight snack, and I'm gonna have, we'll drink some medicine, Theraflu, and just go to sleep. Maybe need to watch some good movies or something. Put in the comments if you guys know any good shows that I can watch. It seems like I watch everything. Excuse me, and then the series that I want to come back, they on they're BSing with the next season. So yeah, I'm just watching a lot of crap these days. So yeah. Whew. I can't say this stuff actually tastes like the real thing or whatever. This tastes like the FEVERTREE. I guess brand in general tastes like the real stuff. This tastes like real grapefruit. The ginger kind tasted like real ginger actually. I wanted to actually, dang, it's refreshing. I really wanted to get the ginger kind because I wanted it to actually open up my sinuses. So yeah, if they didn't have it in stock, it won't work. Yeah, but I am out of here. My nose is starting to stuff up more. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please leave suggestions of what you would like me to do in the future. Please none of that gruesome stuff, because yeah, that's somewhat awkward. So I'll see you guys on the next video.